As many of us have heard, Earth's scarce resources are being consumed by an ever-growing population, and the resulting expansion of landfills and resource shortages have negative implications for the planet's future. Recycling is a concept that has come to the forefront in recent years as a way to use resources efficiently. The University of Waterloo is the study location for the following research. In 2002, the university produced 1,648 tons of landfill waste and only 848 tons of recyclable waste. This means that the university is producing nearly double the amount of waste than the amount of recycling. There are recycling facilities located at various locations around the campus, but it is unknown how frequently these facilities are used and whether or not they are used correctly. In light of this, we set out to answer, why are or why aren't the students, faculty, and staff members of the University of Waterloo using the recycling facilities on campus? Two methods of data collection were used to collect data from the waste facility users in 6 buildings on the university campus. The first was field observation, and the second, semi-structured interviews. In total, 23 pieces of waste were disposed of during the observation period. 17 out of the 23 pieces of waste were recyclable, while the other 5 were non-recyclable. Only 4 out of the 17 pieces of recyclable waste were thrown in the proper recycling bins. The rest, 76.5%, were disposed of improperly in garbage bins. Some of this can be explained by the prominent themes that emerged throughout the study: design, access, awareness, and convenience. The first, consistency in design of facilities, was seen to differ across locations, in some cases giving participants no other option than to throw their recyclable objects into the garbage. During the interviews, it was noted that a barrier to recycling is not being able to recognize or locate the required facilities. Related to consistency is the second theme, access. It was observed that garbage cans were everywhere, but recycling bins were not available at every location. The interviews confirmed this, as some respondents noted a lack in available facilities influenced their recycling behavior, and one respondent said that it was easiest to recycle in SLC because there are bins everywhere. The theme of awareness emerged in the interview stage of the data collection, when a number of respondents noted that they were unaware of the composting facilities on campus, and another mentioned that as an international student, he wasn't aware of how to properly recycle on campus. The final theme was convenience, which was observed to depend on the location of the facilities within the building. For example, in EB3, the garbage is located in a more prominent location, and no one was observed using the recycling facilities found further away, even though they had recyclable material. With the University of Waterloo being such an influential body within the city, it is imperative that recycling behavior be improved. A positive change in the recycling behavior on campus can act as an example to the rest of the city, as well as other universities across Canada. It is also a prime opportunity to educate the people from around the world that attend the campus, showing how proper waste disposal not only makes a place more environmentally friendly, but also reduces their contribution to resource depletion and overflowing landfills.